What do you share for?
Omuntimi share for that. Only there share for. Kofi Waka boy and kwadi agro. I don't any be the ball Panama game now.
Reaction.
Reaction via. Analyst move no na do.
Reaction.
Analyst am work from move no too much.
Na say one meet my share 4.
Omuntimi share 4.
Meet my share 6 cra.
England team be that share 6. On the day be share 6 no.
Players don't be share 6.
Yeah. Now I can't find. Now I know him okay. It's in the tears and I
say no, on the creative chance now.
My own Marcus Rashford in you.
Marcus Rashford Crown started. Bench player.
Okay, say Eddie, you
know the mobile show 4. Now Marcus will be in 2. Okay.
You play too much.
Any analysis no, because an analysis needs to open up the game proper. President, me touch them back just to open up the game proper, and then we'll see where the game is going to probably be won and then lost. Which you about game on the Boston Stadium. Nhyira say the Gillette Stadium.
Yeah, Gillette.
Now there is something that FIFA has done. Even in the UEFA Champions League, FIFA now use the blanket form of marketing. Say FIFA ever beji stadium. Say DBI Taika say almost every stadium be a woo yasino. Yeah, the company they be na to so no utieska for the naming rights of the stadium. So Gillette obviously we know is a company, and there are other ones as well. There is Red Bull, there is Volkswagen in Germany, and all of that.
There's a Mercedes-Benz
Arena. But FIFA marketing team they say World Cup or banner FIFA babe in the ceremony. They buy those rights. And they say oh yeah Mercedes-Benz. During that period, they don't call the stadium the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. It's a Corona Stadium no. Then we call it either the Boston Arena, the Boston Stadium, or whatever. So this one at the Boston Stadium. Now, as we say, one of the stadia, FIFA for no coin, person cover company logo no side that stadium. And on the in your white and the far stadium. I'm the far baby on my logo or and on yes okay see and down that is the same we no track camera. And koto sa company need so. And a company no see what we called situational marketing. Into a corner far the in your whites now also. And a corner social media. No sir, every profile picture, every image on the course I it is our camera everybody try to so who say yes company in here kind of was just on the other side when it comes to marketing because they do lock up now. Yeah. FIFA wants everything to be about them.
No, it's eyeballs, you know.
Exactly. Yeah, it's huge.
The eyeballs,
yeah. And this can ever. Yeah. That is exactly especially what brings in. You have more the Boston Stadium or the US of A. Now meaning Ghana for rich, they are going to drive from Philly to Boston. I know people that will go as far as New York area on them to come to Boston to come and watch the game. I know Ghanaians that will go from Canada to come to Boston, the US of A to come and watch the game. A lot of Ghanaians are going to be there. It's a good one. Now, again, Ben, it's between the Ghana Black Stars and the 3 Lions of England. Which say only in common between England and Ghana. Inka Sebi in the last few years, in terms of form guide, we are not close to them. But like I told you earlier, say Black Stars and England it is similar to what Kotoko and Hearts will do because it's a game that is a derby game. It can go anywhere. Now, the amount game even and they say, which on paper, it can hit the English. They are born. Yeah, was certain attributes, certain players, certain Arsenal be. You put see you on the night. You let me hit you. So it is true. So because England for me to me say 4. Yes, we make me say 4. But say a big game me show me 1-0 be and a draw. Don't be too surprised and ask and ban saying your show because tactically. Those wins are also there for us to mix them. Although in terms of probability, the balance of probability, they say they kind of go from it tilts more towards the English than it does to us to win the match. It's a hugely important game. Rich, the Panama game, asked him before the game that we played, how we played the game, where we played the game, saying a game we could create. almost every Ghanaian are more expectant of the game against England. Say ni ebebo player be never start it, player will cram in who so ya de intimi person be start it, player will bar the way person bono obe say yam mo intimi say player will start it. All of those things have become the huge and major talking point in the lead up to start game and anyway yene England for no kwakomo in the US of A and Boston. It's important. Now yene England for ni no one group. So the last time we played against them was in a friendly game at Yamoya. In Yemi said, Yemi in that group, no, it's that second.
Okay.
The only difference is from the goal difference. Yemi have 3 points, but almost superior goal difference. Now, usually in games like this, like I told you, it is more emotional also, as it is tactical and then also physical. And now, if you listen to England, the follow pre-match press conference, and the things that they said. Players somebody will call in terms of the media session, you can understand and read the emotional part of the game very, very well. Which you say, me and I'm saying, oh, let me try and contact Omo Black Stars camp. No, say is saying, Dana, ye babo England game. Player you do who be prepare Thomas Day party. Then just before we are asking for media day. Which player back out to come for the media opening a branch friend Thomas Day party. Jordan are you any Gideon Mensah. So what went into a branch friend Thomas Day party coming out to come and speak? Which you see they were all standing the media phone number. Then Omubisa say and then Ghana player better move in away. He didn't come out in the lead up to the game against England. Omu John Thomas Day party say member. I'll speak to the media. He wasn't on the bill. Obian can't say Thomas and he said oh now that's so. But he himself offered. Say Obama the media job today and now for that game against Tima, your friend of England, which was very, very important, Rich. And Thomas Tempate delivered very well on everything. I never call Thomas care for me now. Was the fact that for him as a player, and yet on one game the Rich. Richard, and you one game. For him as a player, it is about say the collective players. Now, no Gini say, and you don't call a crowd England. Jordan Bobo England. Antoine Semenyo Bobo England. Fatah Ishaku Bobo England. Brandon Thomas Asante Bobo England. These guys all play in the English leagues, whether in the championship or even in the higher division. They played there before, and they know those boys. But for him, nobody used to make Arsenal players no. Obi say Bukayo Saka, Obi say Declan Rice. These are players and you want to meet them again. Before Carlos Queiroz spoke, Thomas Tuchel in a pre-match press conference, and this is what he said. Also, we had a big influence from the substitutes. Everyone bought in and they gave everything to decide the match. Talking about how well we're using the subs and the bench, and we spoke of Bukayo Saka. Any rent here friend Marcus Rashford coming off the bench to come and change the game for the Three Lions of England. Now, Okasimbi, it makes so much sense. Say, also know as a team, so one respecting Ghana don't shy away from the physicality of the game. And that was Thomas Tuchel telling the players, any of the English media, the strength of the Ghanaian team. Which, your strength no one, and the physicality. Your strength need two, pace and power. So one the 3. Or catch or also can say we don't shy away from playing long and then winning the second balls that come off it. It's very important. That is Thomas Tuchel giving Carlos Queiroz a heads up. Say the winning game, and I know how most likely you are going to play or to players. No any 2 weeks now, Kitano. And in that, my plan is to map up a strategy to come and play against you. Very important. Which 2 days ago. Now, your biggest news pan was the injury of our branch friend Lawrence Atizigi. Now, media, in nights like this, I get excited again because Mekai, when Atizigi came under backlash, Kanye and Sony Gune Daniel, then he said, no, Atizigi is a good goalkeeper. But Yenyan to was here, man. Over time, people will see. Which Yenyan with the first half against Panama. The efforts of branch friend Lawrence Atizigi, and the Shebu, in making sure say Obenya the results that he has to get, the performances in the first half from the team led by Bench friend Lawrence Atigi, one of the senior most players of team in him. Iprana Eba in the game against Panama no, was worrying. People had mentioned say it was a possible groin injury and that he wasn't going to be fit enough to come and play this one. People had mentioned say it might a hamstring injury that was affecting on our bench friend Lawrence Atigi and he wasn't able to be fit for this one. Okay, he didn't go on and say no. Ayala had made it emphatically clear. Say from the sources of Black Stars camp no, Atigi a fit, he had trained. And when all of the news in the country was that, oh, Atizigi fit one shot now, he was clear. And it appears now from the interview of Gasper, the assistant coach, the goalkeeper's coach of Carlos Queiroz, he spoke to the direction. Said Atizigi is very important for them. And there is a likelihood of it to be about better. Although it's a medical situation, but they will look at the collective again, the team, before Ono Abrante friend Lawrence Atizigi, the interest before they make a decision. I think I can confirm. So Abrante friend Lawrence Atizigi is going to be imposed tonight for the Black Stars of Ghana. And for me, regardless of every other thing, a 90% fit Lawrence Atizigi is a goalkeeper that I'll go in for, even if he's not 100. I've said it. One of the biggest issues they'll be facing in this game against England are from aerial duels and then aerial grabs from goalkeepers. 2, the organization, the backline, and the exposure as a goalkeeper for him that he has. Sometimes also, you may hear a goalkeeper to be patient, calm, and composed on the ball, just so we don't build forward. But you better change. So we'll wait till we go into the game before we play.
But I don't know more Black Stars didn't come. I'm gonna say Atizigi problem. How to organize the backline.
I don't agree with them.
Organizing
there is no
anytime no
on Black Stars. Who are you talking about? Because Gasper doesn't say that.
I'm saying that. No, now Gasper don't know Nanziano. Abrante no. I'm few say the problem back pass a goalkeeper. How is you organizing the defenders? How men call Obra. And almost you say, Kamia say, has goalkeeper, you can say, sorry. Benjamin Asari, very good, Bano, say, oh, she show defenders, oh, the Ujina, there you say, but corner now, Ubejiname, Ubeti. As on only yard, the chant at Tiziki.
I don't say Atizigi Yadi or Sadian.
Send the Mekano.
But also, who see the problem, I don't know. But everyone says I don't know who are Branton. No, Debbie. Yeah, also treat how can you?
Maybe I want to say. So only Oma, Black Stars in the Dinkomwa. Feel that the problem are a Branton offense at Tizigi war. How you organizing the defenders? But Benjamin Asarins on any trump card. Ujina, oh man, also only they know Sadinibi. Catch their domains are done. Oh, they born say Tikamwa. Oh, yeah, number one, at least we bet me a sweepy. And you will be a crowd, you would. So what I say, in case of Sabon Tikama. But it looks like as a Tizigi this animal.
Respect to all of those who are close to them. But for me as an analyst, and I've looked at the data, nothing suggests a Tizigi problem of organization.
Okay, let's move on.
In fact, almost all of those people who made all of these arguments up to today, we went to me for any empirical data. And from Mambetre, into Muslim, any Ubia also and that is the thing. Atizigi in the first half and conceding goal. One mistake leading to goal. So I don't know where the questions of his organizational ability is coming from. Benjamin Sari also has strength, you know. And Benjamin Sari's biggest strength, the goalkeeping strength, but I don't just say the weakness of Atizigi. Atizigi's biggest strength, place. So what if you know? It doesn't mean that the weakness of Benjamin Asari, if Atizigi's strength. So that is just the disparity I wanted to know. You know, Carlos Queiroz Kasai. Rich, Queiroz say, we know how England play. They have excellent players. They have the experience of the Premier League. They have intensity. But we know how we can control this. We know they have 3 lions, but we have 33 million lions. I don't even.
I know. Over the Trevor, over the 33 minutes. So,
what should I say?
Oh, but
any amono individual strengths amukita. By any mind. And we say asante or mind. So maybe it's the strength of the unity, the togetherness that the team has. Borrowing it from that phrase, it's saying that we are coming as a unit and you don't so. That is what you have. He goes on. Say I was not defeated because of counting Iran side this year England in 2022. Almost say I was not defeated. In football, we never lose. We win or we learn. We learned a couple of lessons that day. That is what Carlos Queiroz said in that game. Say on England for or some match now on which is huge. It's like all the side stories that I've gone, I don't know if I've missed any. And now Thomas Tuchel thought, Thomas Partey thinking for the game, the idea of Lawrence that is with fit and now in the team again, most likely so best started. Carlos Queiroz, the general mindset and plan going into the game, and everything that Ghanaians are hoping. Now, how will the game pan out on the field of play? That is the most interesting dynamic. And as I would say, over tactical board, so you have a board game, we open it up and have a conversation of how most likely match or park so in terms of side gamer England for ever board. Saying Ghana best set up how Ghana play the game and how and I ever match on Rich. What is the formation OJ say and Carlos Queiroz at the Beko game whilst I arrange the players or park so.
Maybe Diana.
Aye.
4-2-3.
4-2-3-1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now England for ne.
England, I don't think Obe to keep it bree.
To keep it
bree. Ne first 11 on the ball. Against Croatia.
Yeah.
I think maybe I change Bebamukra. Maybe I'm not in my door. Obe Saka, you're okay.
Yeah.
It is 100%. I think that Saka will come in for no money. Okay. On Zanon, me, no, first again. Somebody baby are free by to
it is not about that. Rich. None man will kill what the Bukayo Saka does not have.
Any day here.
You are the friend in the box entries. So Bukayo any ball edge na touchline ojina so or trying to play and advance and passing and making a run. But none it was our ability to get a ball or back.
Direct.
Into the boxing.
Ashima rumu de ni bi.
When Chana now I'll be creating chance. So I still think that Thomas Tuchel will go with Noni. And I think that is going to be the general outlook of England for no. I think that Obebo Ezri comes and John Stones said about first game now. I think say right back unless any James a pra Obebo with James and then you play Nico O'Reilly. I think that the two midfielders no sitting midfielders no and then the Clan Rice any Brent here your friend Morg Elliot Anderson. Then he plays Jude Bellingham as a 10.
Anderson
yeah, solid. Very physical. Really gave me like Jeffrey will say no Bokon and men. That is what we have to contend with. Yeah, but what against a midfield that is very good because Declan will do the box to box. Now Elliot Anderson as a 6. I will be screeny back line. Sabone Keba. And there are times based on the way England won best of ball became kakra. And come on, that is where Elliot Anderson now comes in, leads the game, and turn over possession and play forward. They will play with Jude. Now Jude will 2 rows. I want my system. Now, say all people will never be receiving money in the house space because on 2 blocks will keep the weight. Let's stretch it back. And to me, I'm adding because see what Ali will say when. And then as part of my lineup, I think that your back four should include Ali Biseiru at right back. I will explain. But so we go 2 fullbacks now. So you're close to money and you're close to the goal. They need space to run into. But Obaina, they don't have that space to run into. That is when they were forced to find and nitpickers. I think in Fiifi, that is where Jude Bellingham will help in that progressive job. So one is very transitional. Jude's job will be what we call the box crashing job. If you actually born a wide area, not 30 sana penalty line where Katia man now power back to when he gets the goal there. Very important for our friend Jude Bellingham, which is important. Rich, for me as Ghana, I'll do a 4-2-3-1 like you did too.
Okay.
But the problem is personnel. And until me person me line up solving the problems.
Okay.
I will give them. First problem being I'm against this year. Isolation of fullbacks versus wingers 1v1 ABC. England have only BR on first plan how we creating more chances and the data suggests that say England for will look to isolate on number 11 and number 3. On isolate on number 7 and number 2. Constantly in wide areas. So it means that there is a likelihood we see a Messiah, Gideon Mensah versus Noni.
Bedo.
And as a Gideon Anthony Gordon, then there's a likelihood that we'll meet on the other side. Say, Abrantia, your friend of Senea, we will have Senea, and Abrantia, your friend and Noni Man will in there. The 2 center backs, I won't change them. Goalkeeper, I won't change them.
Okay.
In fact, the 2 left backs, no, Gideon Mensah is the one defensively astute. So I'll stick with Gideon Mensah in there. My problem, however, is Senea at right back.
Too physical, though.
Inconvenient problem, but upon a he wants to go for it. And that means that remember Brent your friend Anthony got in a lot of space. Yes, Carlos Queiroz said once a certain one because it will mean that we're conscientizing more and they say we don't have to go for it too much. You're managing the number of times we go for it, and then we stay back as much as possible and stay in the game. But ideally, in terms of player profile, any ability, I would want to go with Brent and friend Ali Seidu.
Okay.
For him to keep tabs on money, stick him away from the box. Outside the box for me. But I'm managing too much. The good thing is that it's a rate walk up, referees never born if you.
Yeah.
If you kill be part referees at once. I love that fact. It means that that is why Rich, the most important principle away from the tactics is physicality and then combativeness. And see the team doing everywhere else. Because the more you win your individual battles and draws or partners, the more you grow in confidence, the more you're able to play well and get the success that you're looking for. Which again, a partner. Remember midfield miensa.
Okay.
Although remember midfield miensa, you can arrange this as a 4-2-3-1. Yeah. But I remember midfield as miensa.
Okay.
Me miensa ni mebono. Remember kwesisibo. Nyere mabodi ni yi. A City. Kwesisibo. A City.
Okay.
And then correct one, because it's Sibo. One day, Michelle, I'm not good in here. Because it's Sibo on City. So, because Sibo is going to be like, I went to a friend Elliot Anderson. Then I play a friend is saying, Kelly Bridge.
Okay.
On the left hand side of the midfield 3. No matter what Thomas step on the right hand side of the midfield, it's an asymmetric midfield 3. Asymmetric, no, specific rules. Kelly Bridge, you want to say? Because England for good deficiencies near me. One, my Dika catch also on my wingers, no Ebeba winning. So wingers never anymore. New Zealand represent supporting of Fiifi here. For 2 reasons. Or one money and answer Gordon. Say, come on, or be defender her. 2, you want the same on this side. And me midfielders me sending you because you see the hard working of the lot. Oh, you collect obeko winnie born the abreme. You correct, you physical, because you see Bobeko beam, you create winnie born the amame. But in all of that, because you see any the technical ability, or he doesn't have it on that level of partake any Abete fellow Caribbean. Partake or the line breaking and passing ability to break the line. In charging money from deeper, ultimately because England fullbacks number, we have to be able to play 2 or 3 passes near her. And we see a check. Obi Osho Croatia match, maybe other catch or say Croatia for him now one in time. That is how you hex the English. Be quick into your transitions and then go into spaces. No, like a coherent. And remember, I said, I need to make party. But I told them, they will press us aggressively centrally, like you mentioned for Elliot Anderson. And see, we have midfielders named Marco, so only check a car, we in front of more carrying. Say, Mono President, it's make friend, and that is a bunch of friend carrying Richie, and that is why I'm going for the midfield 3. Because of this, we have front 3 attributes. 1, and so we have a clinical
chance in a bar.
Because he never
Tikakra never bano.
So the bet me a we a clinical player. Because of that, I want Antoine Semenyo here or Brandon Thomas Asante here.
Okay.
With me.
Umbo Antoine or flanks, no.
I mean, Antoine is the most clinical of all your attackers.
Okay.
I mean, per last season, your games, almost the most gossip after him, Brandon Thomas Asante. So, if you want somebody that is more clinical, it's Antoine Semenyo. I need him close to goal. Because the game is going to be transitional. Which, again, Bakoso Bebo say, Say okay say open Antoine Waha. Most times also no passes name Tema Kwenima. You are going to now isolate Antoine Semenyo versus John Stones. Any of the concert in large spaces. Antoine holding chair. Antoine physical chair. Antoine can take the ball. Say you're close to goal. Yen see me kakra and drop your shoulder and come more short in here. Antoine can give that to us. He needs that in the center forward. Then I go to my wingers. I want to have a problem, Rich. I want to just want me. What is all bommy? All bommy when you rich. What is it there? It's all bommy.
Me view is a game with Jordan and Bo.
Hey,
Jordan and Bo, but you see,
What is it about Pona before Trevor about you?
Because you saw my catcher. You see, Jordan on the only problem I have with him here. Ujinabo on the
Yeah.
So as I say, or yeah, then I na broso.
Yeah.
And no one any problem. So yet me Casano Jasa then go there. Me name Jordan tactically, technically, we're super.
Still, what do you say about my Jordan? I start see for him. Not the other one who gets it.
The other one. I think Nhyira should start.
Nhyira. I don't want to see me move back.
Is that anything?
Me move back.
Move back. Oh, Baba Hanway.
Brandon Thomas Asante off the wing. No either Fatal Shako Christopher Bonzuba. Brandon Thomas Asante.
Reason I mean person Brendan best starting. It was like Yabo game now do be 65, 70 a game now stretch it.
Yeah.
Then we bring it because was our Brandon on the energy levels no wrong. He can run but too direct.
But again, before that, so if we don't kill off the gamer and as the engineer stay in the game before Brandon comes, that game near upon. I share be 3 me upon. Wait. So I'd rather go Brandon. I can play Brandon Central or Prince Edu Kobna Central, take Antoine here, and then play with a winger of nobody to make it up and can go into space for me. So me that's the issue. Rich, the finality of the whole situation is a born here, born. We have to be quick in your passes to go forward.
No.
2, and you be a bit actually. There are times where and anything NEC about Jordan because Jordan when he leads the press he's like a daisical. And
Kasa
wait, talk to him. What did 30 cents? 32 after and
he's our captain, Captain.
And Kasan
said Jordan. Born unim boy yen say my
Jordan impressive when Abrabo would that is not his stock in trade. He cannot do it. Play with somebody that adds intensity to your press. Go for it. Give me Brandon Thomas Asante and tell me more over here. England Hano. Target you every comes only one boss. Even their goalkeeper. You tell them more over here, you score them. Then isolate Antoine Semenyo. Rich, I'm predicting a draw. Meaning say a goalless draw and a scoring draw. But I think we'll come out of this 1 point.
Goes baby. Say bad draw crown will be able to go.
Dear go and then.
But me dear Ghana Beshe.
I would say Ghana Beshe. What she say?
2-1.
Okay, Mamma, what if we court some of our coffee?
Say, only DBC. Yeah, Beshe first goal.
Okay.
England are better.
Okay.
Last minute, best of the game. Near show me 2-1 near the upon. Sani BC.
Mati. Mami.
And I'm a nai.
You're going to get him.
Sure.
Nah, all can I could be here. And now your games now, boy. Just the France game.
Senegal for Ipa.
Yeah. Oh, Senegal no more to mention Norway. The France game reached see because of the hold up.
Yeah. It delayed for 30 minutes.
Yeah, we wanted an over 3.5, but it came just an over 2.5 coach thing. But that is the thing. And you understand it here. In times like this, you see how we know so. So don't miss out.
Okay.
And then we go with the games so very, very carefully. First code no BW 5E 64 D9 C4. Second one BW 5E 64 AF 3A. Third one BW 5E 6489 C3. Fourth one BW5E647616. Fifth one BW5E645085. And the last one BW5E640F46. Rich.
Okay.
And bet will call a and Mexican in the medical car. Bet within the 10th anniversary.
Okay.
It is called the hashtag it is your 10. Oko Betway app no so ultra code way bia with 5 Ghana cedis or more. There is a scratch and win honum. Unya go to the scratch and winner. You stand a chance of aside the code and analysis that will be dino to also make money on it. It's a Betway say a net one code no crown YouTube and the go on all Fiifi Manfred social media handles on Sabeka. Akofa ne chat ne di. Mami nyao na ene wati for brebu.
Na be lines in tempa na most so much my game. Daniel